Hey everyone, Alex here, back with another video. Now today we are showcasing Armour Detail Supply Pilot. Now, we may not be flying on a trip to new heights, but we are taking our interior game to new heights, okay? This here is an interior cleaner, protectant, all-in-one situation, which is amazing. Nice and efficient, really quick and easy to use. And speaking of quick and easy to use, it's safe on vinyl, plastic, leather, Alcantara, glass, killer on glass by the way. And basically all you do is spray it on the towel, spray it on the surface, and wipe it off. If you have some detail factory brushes for a little bit more stubborn stains, you can apply it, let it sit for a bit, let it emulsify the dirt, agitate it with a brush if you need, and clean it up with a microfiber towel. Now in front of me, I do have the Edgeless 365 from the Riot Company. Some of my favorite interior towels. Now, it is edgeless, that's fine, okay? You may see some of these little frays, don't fret, okay? It's fine. Towel is doing its job, okay? Great interior workhorse towels. Awesome, awesome, awesome situations here. Now, we're gonna take on the interior door panel of this Challenger here, spray it on, quickly apply it, and I'm also gonna hit the interior glass too because it is good on glass. Now, with this towel, you make it a little bit streaky with glass or other towels, Dry Mirror River or the Diamond Weave is a little bit better for glass. But that being said, this works just fine. So we're gonna go ahead and showcase the amazing cleaning properties of Armour Detail Supply Pilot. All right, so here we have the interior door panel. This is the driver's side door panel. So again, this car is just summer driven. It's not horrendous, but we are just going to take our Pilot, give it a shake. You want to shake all your chemicals, and I am going to hit the glass up here, couple spritz on the door panel, quick little mist, and the scent is amazing. I don't know what the scent is, but it's good. Okay, so we take our towel. I have it folded into fours. Now wear gloves if you choose. So we have this towel into four. I'm going to hit the glass. And this is kind of an edgeless glass situation. It doesn't have the painted material around the glass. It's just the raw glass. But again, from what I understand, talking with Brad and DJ, this stuff is tint safe. Okay, we do have interior tint on the front. Don't tell anyone. Shh. Give that a quick wipe. Now the nice thing with this is that it offers protection as well. So there are a lot of interior cleaners on the market there that are only for cleaning. Okay, and then you need dressing on top of it. So if you want to knock out something that's an all-in-one step, this is a great option. So give that a quick rub down here. And then if you need a bit more, some people, if you don't want to get it on glass, that's where applying it to the towel makes a huge difference because you can control where the product is going. Get the speaker grill here. Getting a little totally useless door cup holder. Who's putting stuff on their door cup holders? Leave a comment if you leave stuff in your door cup holders. I drink coffee and water like a real human being, so no need for those. Little here because there's a lot of greasiness on from the arms and things like that. And then flip the towel over to a dry situation. Door switches. And there we go. That's the easiest way to clean a door panel with Armour Detail Supply Pilot. So again, like I said, if there was really nasty stuff here, I'd spray it on and let it sit for a few minutes, and then I would agitate it with a brush, such as a detail factory brush if you have it. I don't have it on me now. But again, you can agitate that a little bit more and let this kind of sit and do its work. But again, this door panel wasn't too bad. So again, just the towel, the spray, and apply it on there. So Alex, where can you get this stuff? Well, a few ways. If you're up in Canada, Armour Detail Supply available at Carzilla and TOC Supplies. Okay, Bucky VW saves you some cash over there respectively. Both places have this. If you are in the US, Armour Detail Supply, Bucky VW also saves you 10% or so. Super cool there. It does help out the channel and does help me out as well. So to give you kind of these great examples of awesome Armour Detail Supply products. So again, drop a like, subscribe if that's what you're into, and we'll see you in the next video.